is up, guys? This is InSkull here, and turns out we are going to be able to do the Far Cry 3 gameplay because I just bought myself a new one. So, yeah, here we go. The first gameplay for Far Cry 3. Gosh! The heck? That just fell and almost hit me in the head! My God! A ceiling fan almost killed me! My God! Ah! Grammy! My ceiling fan almost killed me! My ceiling fan almost killed me! It fell out of the dang roof!
Oh my gosh.
Come on! There's glass everywhere!
Really?
It fell out of the dang roof and almost hit me in the head when I went to turn off the light!
The ceiling. Okay, don't shout. Let's take a look. Hold on.
Whoa!
Oh my.
Almost killed me!
You didn't hit it?
No! I just came over here and did that, and then it fell out of the dang roof!
And hit you in the head?
Yeah, it hit me right here. Luckily it didn't break.
It broke when it hit the floor.
Yeah.
Okay, get that little Lego thing, and I'll get...
I gotta delete this video.